Well, hey everyone, Dave Cook, D'Franco Painting Wallpaper. We're here at DJK Homes in Naperville, and we are just got done doing this Cork wall board install. So they're actually tiles. It's technically a wallpaper, technically a wall board, but I went from top to bottom. Again, just one wall, and so you have to trim them to make them sure they're level. We staggered them. We just did a brick pattern because in the home they have tile that kind of look like staggered bricks. So that's the pattern we used to match it. So they're offset every other one. Used liquid nails was what they recommended to use for adhesive. Worked really well. The trim's nice. Keep changing your blades. Use a heavy duty razor blade, all-purpose type construction type knife. The little snap-offs aren't going to work. But always went good. Once we got the glue to the wall, we had to hold it a little bit more. If I did it again, I used that Power Grab by Loctite. It sticks a lot quicker. But otherwise, it went really good. Should be fun to see what they do with this wall. If you got questions on other wall installations, give us a call to D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.